Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage market research with Qualtrics, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Qualtrics account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Projects tab. Click on the Create Project button to begin a new project. Select Survey from the list of project types. Give your project a descriptive name to easily identify it later. Choose your target audience or sample panel if applicable. Next, proceed to the Survey Builder interface. Begin by adding your first question using the Create a New Question option. Select the appropriate question type that suits your research needs. Customize the question text to ensure clarity for respondents. Add answer choices if applicable, using the provided fields. Continue adding questions one by one, varying the types as necessary. Utilize logic features, like skip and display logic, to enhance the respondent experience. Incorporate any multimedia elements, such as images or videos, if relevant. Preview your survey to check for flow and functionality. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Once satisfied, navigate to the Distributions tab. Choose your distribution method, whether it be email, social media, or anonymous link. Configure any distribution settings, like recipient lists or message personalization. Schedule your survey launch or send it immediately based on your timeline. Monitor your survey progress through the Responses tab. Analyze the incoming data periodically for any initial insights. Once data collection is complete, head to the Reports section. Utilize the built-in analytics tools to visualize your data. Generate charts and graphs that effectively represent your findings. Export your results in preferred formats for further analysis or presentation. Consider creating detailed reports through the reporting features available. Share your findings with stakeholders to inform decision-making. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.